Bafethu sekunjalo uphila ukhona ke namhlanje ubuyile times 2 ubuye ebusuku namhlanje alright kunale trade le i-boom 1000 index ngiye ngayi-analyze a few days ago. I had to screen grab this information because I knew what's going to happen, but then njengoba ikanje being anticipated izojika la i-vibe, but as yehla it created a lot of things here. It created a trend line and everything. So now when you take a trade, remember that you don't use what is going to happen in the future. You use what has happened in the past. Into ibhekayo into enzeka left kude ka left ngiphethe in ka right ngiphethe in, so makuso senza njani ayibona. So now into engiyenzile mina ngingenile la ku market yabona. Let me draw everything. Ngiyangithanda ukususa konke mangicede ba. Kune video engizoyi-uploada ku YouTube ngiye ngakhuluma ngama trend lines. Trend line ibaluleke kangakanani. As you can see here, they hold as in a resistance and then the trend line was broken here. It started holding and they hold as a resistance, yes, yeah, break. After breaking it is hold as a support. They want. So now lagulona yethu ku support there is something called what's this thing? It is called PCP. I'm a student ngafundisile, they know ukuthi PCP driving force yaku market, and PCP our fan, as I mentioned kule enye video engizoyi-uploada nayo ku YouTube ukuthi kahle kahle PCP maningi. I-PCP ekuyiyona uyibona kanjani, understand? Izinto ekumele nizazi lezi leshandisi lena ngiyenze before the screenshot. So now let me zoom in sibone kahle ukuthi kwenzeka yini. Mangiyithola ibila yehla yajika la, so when okay ngizonenzela enye futhi. Okay, kunento bengisengifuna unitshela yona, so ngicabanga ukuthi no izohlangahlanganisa izinto. Kune trend line la yabona. Ayithi ayibona mangithola ibisamwe la ngabana izoshaya la i-vibe. So on the way mayehla yenza into kanje yabona, yathi mifika la yajika yazotesta la, you create a trend line first time, second time, third time, but okay, this one I don't like to consider it as a first time, third time because of the time frame in 7 is very low. I can count this one as the first time, né? Then this is my second time, then this is my third time. So now money buyer la is a figure la and 30 profit. There was nothing that I can do. This was enough for me. So again no pegana la ize yazotesta la iyosuka la ize la. So now mina sengiright ngayo le iprove yokuthi ngenze i-screenshot i-corner, and now I am here to explain to you ukuthi kwenzakaleni and everything. So you can check something else. I'm not sure Genius can check where is V5 V5. Now I can explain TV5 kwenzakaleni yenzani, understand? La into engiyenzile nje ukusecure nje kuphela. Let me see something ukutshela ukuthi yenzani lo mncane bafethu, just grab and go. Okay, now we have something like this, a trend line. Let me zoom out. We have a trend line. Let me go to 1 hour. Okay, a reason for this is this one. So my son no need to worry about anything. I'll go to H4 and check again. Ami kanje isidingo sokuthi umuntu abe worried angisiboni, because eventually kumele ikhuphuke yabo. So no need to worry or to be frustrated by anything. Yona ayihluphi because of angakabhayanga kahle, ngivele ngabhaya nje for the sake of buying, ngabhayi lona A1 ngaphuma ezintweni. So akusiyinto engathi mhlambe izongishayika yabona, ngichachazelise yeyi awubala lolo. This thing the way it is ngakhona, I just need to understand ukuthi imuva kanjani, kwenzekani, then you'll be okay. Then you'll be okay. Yenza ibe short.